This is a vintage Homelite C5 chainsaw. It's with convertible drive. The saw, it starts and runs, so that's good. We'll just take a quick look at it together. It's somewhat worn, from use. I mean, the paint and cases and stuff, but basically complete. Got the dog spikes there, the original bar and chain, I believe. Says direct drive there, convertible drive on the top. All of the controls work, so I could pop the bar off this pretty easily and ship it. You can shoot me an email at rustbeltcycleparts. That's rustbeltcycleparts@gmail.com if interested in purchasing the saw. Alright, thanks.